Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9:04 p.m. battling for Colby's 1-ounce silver Lord Vader and Queen Elizabeth coin. We got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to generate our winner. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er, which means we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Spencer Myers in the top spot for our first round. Scott round 2 and round 3. Kenneth in the top spot for our fourth round with number 7. Jimmy round 5 with number 5. Troy round 6. Jimmy again on top in round 7. Jimmy again on top in round 8, which brings us to the ever important last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Kenneth Pound in at number 1. Congratulations, Kenneth. Nice looking coin. TCGI HM is our verification code. There's our official results. Kenneth in at number 1. All that means is that I'm done at 9.5 on the last day of vacation. There it is. Again, here's the results. And our winner, Kenneth in at number 1, is the champ. See you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.